not installing, downloading on Xbox app and Microsoft Store PC. Fix all error codes. Restart your PC and apps. Close Xbox app and Microsoft Store completely. Restart your computer normally. Try downloading the game again afterward. 2. Check internet connection. Use stable Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection. Restart your router or modem. Disable VPN or proxy services temporarily. 3. Sign out and back into Microsoft Store. Open Microsoft Store, sign out from your Microsoft account, sign back in and retry installation. 4. Reset Microsoft Store cache. Press Windows plus R, type wsreset.exe, and press Enter. Wait for Microsoft Store to reopen automatically. 5. Repair Xbox app and gaming services. Open Settings, Apps, Installed Apps, Repair Xbox app from Advanced Options, also repair gaming services. 6. Check available storage space. Ensure enough free disk space is available. Delete unnecessary files if needed. Try installing the game on another drive. 7. Install pending Windows updates. Open Settings, Windows Update. Download and install all updates. Restart your PC after updates finish. Change Xbox app download location. Open Xbox app settings. Select a different installation drive. Retry downloading Forza Horizon 6. SHA-9. Disable antivirus and firewall temporarily. Turn off third-party antivirus temporarily. Allow Xbox app through Windows Firewall. Retry installation afterward. 10. Reinstall Xbox app and gaming services. Uninstall Xbox app and gaming services completely. Restart your PC fully. Install fresh versions from Microsoft Store.